Slama Amuhon, or peace be with you. Shubha Lamshiha Maran. The Duharanas, or remembrances of the Kandishe, O holy ones, who bore witness to Ishum Shiha, the light of the world, are commemorated in the names of some among them during the season of Denha on Aruttas or set days or Fridays. We observe it with the indwelling of the Ruha Kudisha or Holy Spirit. Duharana the Annide, meaning the remembrance of those who have departed in risen Ishu, is celebrated on the final Arutha or set day or Friday of the Deneha. It is also the Duhrana of the witnesses. Let us bore the ultimate witness to the risen Ishum Shiha, the light of the world, and by his mercy become the Duharana or remembrance of him. Alaha of the Anidas, have mercy on us. Welcome to Mars Liva Dera to bear witness to the risen issue through the early Slihaic or apostolic way of faith. Annide Duharana. Mars Liva Dera 682. Thank you.